everybody, welcome to the second session of the Yoga Endurance Pack. Today we'll be doing poses like Veerbhadrasana A and Padangusthasana that are both great for your pelvic flexibility and also helps with endurance. So let's begin with the warm-up. And so now we'll begin with the warm-up. So come to the top of your mat, starting at Samasthiti. Inhale, take your arms all the way up and over, firm up the legs, and then exhaling, coming to fold. Keep a little bend in the knees and bring your chest in towards the thighs. Inhale halfway, and then coming to your plank. In plank, try to keep the neck long. Keep your gaze past the hands so the neck is not dropping in. Exhaling, knees, chin and chest. Keep the elbows close. Inhale, up dog. Keep opening the chest, lifting the heart. Exhale, coming all the way back, downward facing dog pose. Knees are bent. Use the hands to keep lifting your seat higher. And then stepping forward. Inhaling, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift all the way up. And then exhale, drop your hands by the side of the body. Starting at Samasthiti. Inhale, take your arms all the way up and over. Firm up the legs. And then exhaling, coming to fold. Keep a little bend in the knees and bring your chest in towards the thighs. Inhale halfway, and then coming to your plank. In plank, try to keep the neck long. Keep your gaze past the hands so the neck is not dropping in. Exhaling, knees, chin and chest. Keep the elbows close. Inhale, up dog. Keep opening the chest, lifting the heart. Exhale, coming all the way back, downward facing dog pose. Knees are bent. Use the hands to keep lifting your seat higher. And then stepping forward. Inhaling, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift all the way up. And then exhale, drop your hands by the side of the body. We'll do that 2 more times. Inhale, lift. Exhaling, fold. Inhale, halfway. And then step to plank pose. Knees, chin and chest, exhale. Inhale, up dog. You can keep your knees down. Exhale, coming all the way back, downward facing dog pose. Stepping forward, bring yourself all the way. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, open, coming all the way up. And then exhale, drop the hands by the side of the body. Once again. Inhale, up. Exhale, coming to fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Look forward. Step back, plank pose. Dropping your knees, chin and chest lower down. Inhale into your up dog, knees to the floor for the first few. Exhale, back, downward facing dog pose. You can start to straighten the legs if you're feeling more comfortable now. Stepping forward, halfway lift, inhaling, exhale, fold, inhale, lift and rise up all the way, and exhale, hands come down. Now that we've finished with the warm-up, we will continue with Vinyasa 1. So continuing, inhale, lift your arms up, look up, firm up the legs. As you exhale, little bend in the knees, come and fold. Inhale, halfway lift, and then coming to your plank position. In your plank, exhaling, knees, chin and chest. Inhale, come up. You can have your knees off the earth or on the earth, as you prefer. Into up dog. Exhaling, coming to downward facing dog pose. Now here, bring your feet to the center line of your mat. Inhale and take the right leg all the way up. And here we take 5 breaths. Inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take a big breath in through your nostrils. Exhale and bring the foot all the way through. Drop the left heel down, setting up for Veerbhadrasana A. Inhale and bring your arms all the way up. And 5 breaths here. Inhaling and exhale 1. Keep grounding with that left heel. Exhale 2. The front knee wants to be directly over the ankle. 3. Inhale, exhale 4. And as you take your last breath, exhaling, hands come to frame the front foot, come off your back heel and then plank. Knees as you exhale, chin and chest lower down. Inhale up, up dog. And exhale back to down dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now on the left side, bring your feet to the midline of the mat. Inhale and take the left leg all the way up and back. The arms are strong. Inhale, exhale. 1. Exhale 2. Keep using your hands to push away from the floor. 3. Firming up the leg and the arms. 4. Exhale 5. Bring your foot all the way through between the hands, dropping the right heel down for Veerbhadrasana A on this side now. Inhale, exhale 1. The right heel is very strong on the floor. Inhale, exhale 2. Keep bending that left knee over the ankle. Inhale, exhale 3. Inhale 4. And as you take your last breath, hands come to frame the front foot and we'll come to plank. Knees as you exhale, chin and chest. Inhale, up dog. And exhaling, downward facing dog pose. Stepping to the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, coming to fold. Belly comes towards the thighs. Inhale, lift and rise all the way up. And then exhale, bring the arms by the side of the body. And that's the end of the first vinyasa. Now continuing with the second vinyasa. Inhale, lift your arms up, firm up the legs. Look up at your hands. As you exhale, coming to fold all the way down. Inhale, halfway lift. Lift your heart forward. And then coming to your plank position. Knees as you exhale, chin and chest lower down. Inhale up into upward facing dog. Exhaling back, downward facing dog. On your next breath, stepping forward to the top of the mat and then grabbing onto the big toe mounds of both your feet. Inhale, come to a halfway lift and then exhale, coming to fold. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Feel your belly rising into your thighs. 3. Keep connecting to the breath. 4. And the last breath. 5. Exhale completely. From where you are, gently bring yourself to squat. Walk the hands behind you. The fingers can face away and start to move the feet together. As you inhale, lift the left arm up, and as you exhale, come to twist. The spine is long. Inhale, lift the spine, and exhale, twist. 4 more breaths to go. 2, 3, 4, and your last breath. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, bring the hand back down. Drop your seat down for a second. Cross at the ankles and then step to plank. And then from here, exhaling, knees, chin and chest lowers down. Inhale, come up dog. Exhaling, coming to downward facing dog. Stepping to the top of the mat once again. Grabbing onto the big toe mounds of both your feet. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, come to fold. And here we take 5 breaths. Exhale 1. Keep lifting your seat up to the ceiling. Exhale 2. Feel all 4 points of the feet on the floor. Exhale, 3. The back of the neck is long. Exhaling, 4. And you're taking your last breath. Inhale and exhaling. Bring your feet closer in. Walk your hands behind. Have the feet touching. The hands face back. Inhale, right arm goes up. Exhale, coming to twist. And that's 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, exhale, 2. 3. 4. And that's your last breath. Inhale to look forward. Exhale, drop your bottoms down. Cross at the ankles and stepping to plank pose. Exhaling, knees, chin and chest, elbows stay close to the body. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, coming all the way back to downward facing dog. Stepping to the top of the mat. Inhale, come to your halfway lift. Exhale, come to full little bend in the knees. Inhale, lift and rise all the way up. Legs are firm. And then exhale, bring the arms by the side of the body. And that's the end of the second vinyasa. Now we'll move to the cool down. Come to lie down on your spine for the cool down now. Bend your knees and bring your ankles directly under your knees. As you inhale, slowly start to lift the bottoms up, keeping the knees parallel. Coming all the way up, chin and chest come in contact. Exhale, gently dropping down. And again, inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Inhaling, lifting. Trying to come a little bit higher this time. And then exhale once again, lower down. As you inhale, interlace the fingers underneath you. Keep the knees parallel. Inhale, exhale, 1. Exhale, 2. Exhale, 3. Exhale, 4. And exhaling, 5. Slowly lower down. And then extend your legs out. Turn your palms up and come into Shavasana. Relaxing the feet, relaxing the toes. Relax your palms and your fingertips. Coming to the end of your short Shavasana, start to make tiny movements in your fingertips and your toes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Bring yourself back. As you feel ready, roll over to the right side. And then gently come up and sit up. Keeping the eyes closed, start to rub the palms together and create some heat between the hands. And then place your hands over the eyes. Slowly blinking the eyes open, bring the palms down. I hope you've enjoyed session 2. With classes like these, it's important to stay hydrated and consume up to 2 liters of water in a day. Thank you for practicing, and I'll see you in session 3.